Now let's continue with the final two tabs of our profile tabs component, following and followers. So to display those, we'll use another component called follow tab, which we'll import. So this will be from components, profile, and follow tab. So we've added the first tab, where tab is equal to 0. After that conditional, we'll check to see if tab is equal to 1. In that case, we're going to add a set of tab container tags, and as the child to that, we'll have our follow tab, and pass in as a user's prop user.following. And then for followers, we'll copy that where tab is equal to 2, and we'll grab user.followers. Then we'll head to follow tab, uncomment all of our components up at the top. From props, we'll destructure classes and users, and we'll begin with a div, and the class name will be classes.root. Then we'll have a grid list component, where the cell height will be 160, the class name classes.gridList, and it'll be 4 columns wide. And we'll map over the users array, whether it's following or followers. We'll say for each user, we'll include a grid list tile, and we'll set with style the height of it to 120, and the key will be user.id. Include a link, so we'll import link, where the href will be to /profile and the user ID. And within the A tags, we'll include an avatar. The source will be user.avatar, and the class name classes.bigAvatar. Underneath will be a typography component. The component will be h3, and the variant will be subtitle 1, and the class name classes.tileText, and finally we'll include our username. So let's save, take a look. If we try going to the following tab, looks like we're getting an error. So back in profile tabs, we're passing down the user, and from profile, we're passing down user from state. But we're not passing user to profile tabs. So once we pass user through profile tabs from profile, let's try this again. Now we can see who we're following, as well as our followers. So it looks like Jenny is both following us, or we're both following Jenny, and Jenny is a follower of us. And if I were to go to Jenny's profile and unfollow her, go back to my profile, take a look at following, and she's gone. But she's still a follower.